often wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Chronic fatigue has become one of the most common health complaints in the world. But here's the good news. In most cases, it's not about needing more coffee. It's about understanding what your body is missing and restoring balance naturally. Today, we'll look at 5 science-based reasons why you might feel tired all the time and what you can do to fix each one. 1. Poor sleep quality, not just hours, but depth. Even if you sleep 8 hours, you might not reach enough deep sleep, the stage when your body truly recovers. Blue light before bed, late-night meals, or even mild dehydration can reduce deep sleep. Fix it by turning off screens 1 hour before bed, keeping your room cool, and eating your last meal at least 3 hours before sleep. These small changes can dramatically improve sleep depth and next-day energy. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. One of the most overlooked causes of fatigue is nutrient deficiency, especially iron, vitamin B12, and magnesium. They're essential for carrying oxygen, producing energy, and keeping your nervous system healthy. Add spinach, lentils, eggs, salmon, almonds, and oats to your diet. If you're plant-based, check your B12 levels. This is one of the most common deficiencies. 3. Lack of sunlight and low vitamin D. Your body needs sunlight to make vitamin D, vital for mood, hormones, and energy. Low vitamin D levels are directly linked to fatigue and low motivation. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes outdoors each day, or talk to your doctor about safe supplementation, especially during winter months. 4. Blood sugar fluctuations. Energy crashes after meals often mean your blood sugar is spiking and dropping. Sugary breakfasts and snacks create unstable energy. Fix it by eating balanced meals. Protein plus fiber plus healthy fats. For example, eggs with avocado or oats with berries and nuts. 5. Stress and cortisol imbalance. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which over time can lead to fatigue, poor sleep, and low motivation. Practice short relaxation habits daily. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing, stretching, or mindfulness can reset your nervous system and restore energy. Conclusion: if you're always tired, your body is sending a signal. By improving sleep, nutrition, sunlight, blood sugar control, and stress balance, you can rebuild your natural energy safely and effectively. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and your energy will come back faster than you expect.